What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So this is the travel table topic to go card game. I was thinking anyway travel guide is a card game. No, this is more like an adventure. You discover a card and do something, and this is basically, of course, everyone know table topics. I mean, you play with your spouse, with your family, with your buddy, on a dinner occasion, on a family event, blah blah blah. So let me show you. Okay, let me take out travel table, so table topic to go. Okay, 40 question for 12 age and up. Okay, let me just take out the end card in the beginning, because this is definitely not a card. And then let's begin the game. Okay, let me just show you like something from between. In what language would you like to be fluent? Definitely English. I'm talking about the advanced English vocabulary for travel writing. Other than that, maybe I wanna fluent in French and Arabic. Would you rather meet your great grandparents or your great grandchildren? Maybe great grandparents, because I have no children. What is the best way to cure homesickness? I wanna apologize because suddenly my camera recording stopped. So I'm using the Osmo Pocket Go, as you can see the recording stopped. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. I mean, like, if you have 6 weeks to drive around USA, I mean, yeah, I think I can easily recommend it. It was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and buy over. It's quite nice. I'm having a quite good impression. I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah, make sure to check out the links in the description box. Subscribe and bye.